Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 20 Rodger Street in Cellardyke. It's an amazing 5-bedroom townhouse, so basically on 3 levels. It is close proximity to the beach, the harbour, the Fife coastal path, open water swimming, tidal pool, and back along the cafes, bistros and restaurants. This is a fantastic lifestyle choice for someone. Let me take you on the tour. It has a shower room upstairs, it has a bathroom on the first floor as well, and has a WC downstairs. Courtyard out to the rear, garden out to the rear, and also an outbuilding which could be a flexible use purpose for maybe an artist studio, a music studio, or even a home office. Okay, let me take you through this tour. The camera around. This is the property right here. So to the front you've just got that storage area. You can see the bins are sitting there as well. And it's on 3 levels, and we go in the front door. Nice and low maintenance. Tiled floor all the way through as we come in. We're going to pop upstairs first. We'll come back down to the living room and the kitchen in a minute. Off to the rear there, access through that door, and there's a wee understairs cupboard which actually houses the condenser combi boiler. You can also get a doorway out to the back, and I'll show you when we get out there. But let's pop upstairs. One of the features I like about this property and these properties, these townhouses, is these big massive windows that goes from the first floor to the second floor to bring in a lot of natural light into this landing. So the first floor landing, as you'll see, 3 bedrooms up here and a bathroom as well. Off to my left hand side immediately, we have the first double bedroom. You can see that decorative wrought iron fireplace to the rear. Shelving over there as well. And then the double glazed window and plenty of space to put a tall boy and stuff like that. There's that outbuilding there actually. See that roof? It was done at some point in time recently in the past. Okay, let's pop through and talk about the bathroom actually. So good sized bathroom as you'll see, nice and well laid out. You've got a P-shaped bath with that thermostatic shower from the tap itself over there with the screen, and your WC there as well, and your sink with your inset vanity unit. Okay, next double bedroom to the front. The one thing I love about this is the huge size of the double bedrooms. They don't make houses like this anymore. You'll never be able to replicate something like this because they're you know, stone built, and they've got a huge amount of history that goes with them as well. So into the side, good sized single bedroom. It could be a home office, or it could be a dressing room for next door. It could be the ideal thing for you. It could even be, you know, single bedroom as it could be repurposed to that. It's entirely what you think it should be, and what you could dream of really. If you can dream it, you can see it and you can believe it, I suppose. So upper landing, access hatch up there via metal ladder, partially floored, bit of storage up there as well. Off to my left hand side we have the double bedroom. So this is a huge double bedroom, so is the front one as well when you get up to this level. Big double bedroom. And then you've got that bay style window into here. Now I can just see, just to show people that don't know the area that well, there's the May aisle sitting out there. You can just see the outline of it. It's just a bit of a misty day out in the water. So just showing you how close everything is in terms of the water itself. Back gardens over there as well, as you can see. Sun stays on there all day long, by the way, which is another thing I love about these properties. The back garden's further away, you see, so it doesn't interfere with the building with the sun. Okay, so the shower room, corner enclosure, sliding doors, thermostatic shower. You can see partially tiled as well. And again, the same theme of the inset sink into the vanity unit and storage below, and the WC with tiled floor. Okay, final bedroom. Bedroom number 5. You can see the cupboards over there for storage. Again, a good sized bedroom. You come off through that bay window over here. So bay window as well. And then I'll just zoom in and you can see the sea a bit clearer between here, but it's just to show you how close it is. See, it's right there between there. So you just pop down that wind, and just over there, down the bottom of the street, down there, and you're straight down to the Fife coastal path. And that gives you access along to everything that you should ever want. Okay, I'll see you downstairs. Okay, we're in the living room, open plan to the kitchen. Let me just flip the camera around and show you. So here it is here, right across to the front. You've got that double glazed window to the front. We saw that from outside. And then as we pan round, you can see it's open plan into the kitchen away to the rear. This is the whole length of the property. Now, you've got a WC just to the side here. And then you've got your kitchen. But I'll give you one final look at the size of this living room to the front. Now, lounge area over here, dining table in between here, kitchen perfectly designed for here. Now, this could be, if anybody wants to, you could put a stud back right across there again, and you could have a door going straight in from the hall, straight into your kitchen if you wanted to. And then you'd have that closed off. So there's an option, an easy option to have two separate rooms if you really wanted to. But open plan seems to be the thing for everybody just now. So good sized kitchen, oven, hob extractor. You can see inbuilt dishwasher over there, freestanding fridge freezer place, and also a place for your washing machine itself. Although washing machine could possibly go out in your studio, and I'll tell you about that in a minute. So patio doors, double glazed patio doors going out to the rear in the courtyard. I'll give you one final last look at the kitchen before we leave. And the courtyard, so good sized courtyard in here. You can see that big high wall, stone built wall, and over there as well. Gives you a lot of privacy and also keeps the element and keeps you away from the elements. On a windy, blustery day. See the sheer height of that property. And that's that door it came in from the back, as I said before. Now, studio area in here. Now this could be an artist studio, it could be a home office again, and it also could be a musician centre. It could be a music room for someone. So it has power and it has electric as well and light. Then the great thing as well, it has the possibility, because it has water into here, and I believe there's a sewer under here as well, because this used to be an outside WC in here for years gone by, I suppose, before they had these in the house at that time. So whatever you want with this, it could be for yours. So it's good. The good thing, it's all lined. It's all lined and insulated, and you can see that when we talked about before on the roof. This is where you see the garden. The sun has just come out. The sun has just come out right now, and that's the wonderful thing about it. It's just creeped through the clouds. So good sized garden over here. Then you've got this patio area to the rear that you can sit. But we're sitting at nearly 12 o'clock right now. Sun's sitting there. You can see the height of it, and we're just in March itself. So basically the sun comes up over there and it travels all the way around. You can see it just over there in the clouds, and you can see it'll miss the top of these roofs, no bother, because this garden's away to the rear, which is ideal for that. So it's going to sit on this garden all day long at some point in time, which is ideal. Probably there in the morning, and then it gravitates towards the rear to the end of the day. Best of everything. You can see my glasses and my reaction lenses are darkening as well as a result of the sun. Welcome to God's country. Okay, so let's recap for people that don't know about the area and also about the property again, just to give you a final recap on it. So 5 bedrooms. You can see there's a shower room upstairs as well. There's a bathroom on the first floor, and there's a WC downstairs as well. You've got that living room open plan into your kitchen, and then you've obviously got the back courtyard you can come out to, and then the potential outbuilding, which could be a studio, arts and crafts studio as well. It could be a home office, or it could be a music room. You've got this garden as well, sits in the sun all day long. Now, just recap on the area and where it's close to. You saw me zooming in on things like the sea and the May Isle as well, so it shows you how close it is to the coastline. Easy walking distance. You can see on the drone footage as well, location footage in this post. If you look in, click on the link above or below, you'll be able to see the location footage on here as well, and it'll tell you more about the area for anybody that doesn't know. But you've got easy access into the open water swimming for the Cellardyke tidal pool. You've got the harbour, Cellardyke harbour, and then you've got a convenience store at the top of the road, which is Wilson's. You can walk back in through along the Fife coastal path into the main Anstruther Shore Street, which has all the cafes, bistros and restaurants. There's a fantastic golf course here as well, and you've got a great, fantastic primary school and secondary school at Wade Academy. We're close proximity to Pitt and Weem, just along the road, Arts and Crafts, and then further on to St Mornans, and then Ely, and then you can go back along the road into Crail, which is all got the historic golf courses as well. Just over the hill, you've got probably about 12 miles into St Andrews, so you can pop over to St Andrews, have a fantastic day out there, and come back to the lifestyle you've got here. What more could you ask for? If you're sitting in the city right now, you need to be here. This is the perfect family home for you. Definitely. As I said, you can click on the link above or below for more details to see the photographs and descriptions. If you need to contact us, it's 01333 421 774, or you could message us direct on this post. Until next time, guys, from God's country, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.